Ghost and Soap prevented a disaster at the dam. They stopped Makarov. You need to do the same.
With foreign Alex, we will.
You and Graves are on the same team, John. Don't forget that.
Oh, don't forget anything.
Looking good, boys. We are a go for pre-check. We're a go for pre-check. Yeah. We ready to rumble?
This is a joint operation. ULF 141 and Shadow. Together as one.
Guys.
Together as one. You sure?
If we don't, we lose.
Ready for you, start?
Clear.
Moving into check. Check. Good start. Shadow is loose.
Control, welcome.
Cleared for task, Shadow.
Roger that. Let's fly.
Shadow to Gold Eagle. Candle is lit.
Go get him, Shadow.
Gold Eagle actual. Shadow
باید
1 is
که
on
یک دیگه
station.
چه منوکی
Shadow 1,
ویدیو چه
ground
پارت
team is
دوازدهم
at rally point Boneyard. You'll provide air cover while they locate the chemicals and hunt down Makarov.
برین که پارت هم بگین البته پیسر چه پارت شروع کنیم مای کانالا اگر تازه آشنا به کانالا سبسکرایب کنه ویدیو لایک کنه کامنت بله واسه بعد دیگه احتمالا بعدش یک پارت دیگه ببی کمپین مود وارفر ده بعد آنی هم دیگه بودا آنلاین یا نهایتا یک گیم دیگه رو شروع کنیم خب این مرحله
Copy visual. Marking. Ground team, we have visual on you.
Copy. Our target's at the two hangars. We move on your signal.
Marking threats in the boneyard.
هواپیما هم پوشش هوایی لوترین که منطقه دوست
Gunner, lay down cover fire. Take out those threats. On the trigger. Time to get to work, Shadows. Look at him. Don't know what hit him. Only knows we're here. Threats to the northeast, crew. Tony's maneuvering near the comms tower. Gunner, get eyes on that tower now. Got a SAM site near the tower. Gunner, drop a missile on that SAM site.
tower सामने बचा
Targeting us. Hit that SAM site with a missile. Good impact.
John
Trip south. Cody's moving into the boneyard.
Shadow 1, ground team is in contact. Send fire!
Copy that. We're on it.
سوال لو واتش توکن ایسته خیلی خفنه خدا وکیلی دو توکن یعنی معمولیتی هست ای تاور جنه
Nice.
نایس واقعا هم نایس بمر
Contact. Shadow troops in contact. Call for fire now. Shadow copies. We're on it. EKIA.
मुझे कंट्रोल करना है तो सख्त नजदीक की
Ground team, you're clear to move.
Copy that. We're moving out.
Cover him, Shadow. Copy, actual. Enemy pushing in from the south. Marking. 3-1 in contact.
Shadow 1, we're taking effective fire. Start sending ground.
Copy, Kilo. We're working on it. Good attack. Good attack.
Shadow 1, good hit. Keep them coming. Ground team is pushing up.
We got you, ground.
خیلی باحال خداییش
West end of the tarmac.
Copy, Coney jet. Marking target.
جت
Hit
جت
that jet before it's airborne.
شو جتی بچه
Crew, let's get on it. Jet destroyed. Air superiority, Shadows.
می جت جست کن اذا ما نشته کن
Ground, multiple Coney on the tarmac. Get to cover. We'll clear your path. That dude's smoke.
Copy. Ground team is holding southwest.
Good attack. Keep that ground team secure. Do not fire on the hangars. Ground, you're clear to move.
Copy. Ground team is pushing to hangar 1.
Gunner, cover him into the target building. Do not fire on the hangars until the chemicals are located. We want to hand Makarov a win.
This is an itchy.
Ground teams reach hangar 1.
Threats coming out of those structures to south side of the base.
Mark. Gunner, do not let Coney get near that hangar.
Got him covered.
Shadow 1, first hangar is clear. Switching to the chemicals now.
Copy that. They thought they were taking cover.
We're taking RPG fire.
RPG located. Tower, south of hangar 1.
RPG, yeah.
Ground team, give me a sit rep. Do you want to drive all action? No chemicals. Our intel's solid. Makarov's entire chemical stockpile is on that base. If they're not in that hangar, they'll be in the next one. Just be sure before you push on.
Copy. Keep searching the hangar. Shadow 1, keep us covered.
We're not going anywhere, Kilo.
Negative on chemicals. Hangar 1 in the drive.
دوزانه کپتر بدیم بهشان جانه
Shadow, keep them covered.
دیجا
Roger, Gold Eagle. We got you, ground.
Copy. Moving to hangar 2.
Mortar fires incoming from the northwest.
Gunner, target those mortars.
West.
Take them out.
شمال جنوب ماشي
Firing.
Get effective fire.
Took out their mortar team.
تو خانه چیه او خمپارنداز
Destroy his whole base to keep those chemicals. They'll be in the next hangar. He might be too.
Hit those RPGs. Get them.
All stations, hangar 2 is clear. Be advised, we've located the chemicals.
Makarov. Negative, he's not here. It could be close. Ground, neutralize those chemicals. Shadow, maintain overwatch. Keep the ground team secure till the job's done.
Copy that, Gold Eagle.
All stations, be advised, intel's picking up Coney communications from off-base. They're scrambling armored vehicles and reinforcements.
Have
Expect
fun.
heavy contact.
Copy that, action.
آه چی
North side of the base.
یا خدایی چی بود
Shadow 1, do not let that tank destroy those chemicals.
آنکه
Gunner, you heard the general. Eliminate that tank.
یا
Drop a missile on that fucker.
Enemy tanks destroyed.
Good. Hate those fucking things.
Enemy vehicles to the north. Copy. Marking.
Gunner, target those vehicles.
Pushing to hangar 2. Enemy helos taken off from the northwest. They are incoming. I got him. Helos marked.
Knock those birds out of the sky. You can run, but you'll just die tired. Good shots.
Enemy pushing into the hangar.
Nice in your damn face, Gunner. Good shooting.
Missiles incoming.
او نامر منه جنگان
That's what I'm talking about.
Enemy missile.
کجا چی جنگی مثلا شد جنگه به دوایی
Shadow, don't let that tank hit the chemicals. Take it out.
You know what to do, Gunner.
آنکه پیدا آگا
Love me some
و دیگه
quick
پیدایی
Great, enemy vehicles incoming.
They're pushing in through the fuel depots to our north.
All stations. Coney's mounting up for re-attack. Let's bury him.
This is Coney's and Urzikstan. Wipe it.
آنکه
Shadow 1, be advised. Doors opening on a building to the west end of the runway, near the
او
boneyard.
باید دیگه
Jets coming from the west end of the runway.
He gets airborne, we got big problems. They're cooked.
Jets taking off.
All stations, this is action.
میگوشتی تو که این پخته شدن این چیزی این چی فکر نگشتی
Gonna make a play
Allez.
for the chemicals.
Gunner, take out the jet.
Team, are you ready to exfil?
Shoot in front.
الله دارد
Chemicals are still active. We need more time.
Copy that. Keep it secure. Freeze and maintain overwatch.
جتی مارا جت پادت آخر لحظه دومی جت من ندی نواز شانا
Shadow 1,
جت
be
پادت
advised. Doors opening on a building to the west end of the runway, near
Near the boneyard.
Enemy jets coming from the west end of the runway.
Direct.
The ghost के jet तरह आएगा enemy ऐसे नहीं मतलब नहीं ला
We got big problems. That's right, motherfuckers.
Jet number 2 is down. That dude has some hang time on him. Guns ready. Shit, missile incoming. Threats outside the hangar.
Look at him. I don't even know what hit him. Keep him out of the hangar. Direct.
All stations, this is actual. SIGINT confirms Makarov is on the base. He's going to make a play for the chemicals. Ground team, are you ready to exfil?
Negative. Chemicals are still active. We need more time.
Copy that. Keep them secure. Graves, maintain overwatch. You see Makarov, you put him down.
Check Gold Eagle. Shadow 1's ready and waiting.
जो ये खजान
Enemy
इनकी खाली
helo coming from the northeast.
That's Makarov. Shadow, gun that son of a bitch down.
Copy that. He's not going anywhere. Time to finish this, Shadows.
Copy that. Guns ready.
Helo's trying to take out the hangar. We need close in.
Great, shoot him down. Don't let him hit the chemicals.
Taking fire from the helo.
नरक भी गंती ना मार दे
Taking fire in the hangar. Contact. Enemy helo.
लगी थी आकर
We got your ass. Hook, line, and fucking sinker. All stations.
रास्ते की जगह बड़ा खूब लगी थी
Vladimir
आकर
Makarov is EKIA.
Copy that.
मैंने पाएगा ये जो
Moving out of the
ऐसा
hangar now.
Graves, once ground is clear, have your man drop a missile on that hangar. Bury Makarov and his fucking chemicals.
Copy that.
Shadow 1, ground team is clear. Level the hangar.
Gunner, send it.
چی مونتو دارم اشتی پودر کنم
Good effect. Hangar's down.
That's how we get it done, Shadows. Those be done, you Vladimir.
پودر کتم بایی
3 things you cannot outrun in this world, folks. Death, taxes, and me. Pleasure doing business with you boys and girls. Actual, I'm RTB. Out here.
Roger that, Shadow.
Pudri
That's
ko
some
taga.
big league work out there. Blue skies, son.
Appreciate the assist, Shadow. 6 to all stations. That kill is not confirmed. I say again, that kill is not confirmed. We need to search the site for PID on Makarov.
Gold Eagle Actual to all stations. Your orders are to stand down. We got nothing but fire and brimstone out there, and that's all the confirmation we need. 6, go to 1.
Go for 6.
It's over, John. We nailed that bastard to hell and gone.
Yeah, that's what we said about your little Shadow Graves, yeah?
आपने उसमें ताईद न करने या मकर को मेरे का आउशिनान जना गिफ्ट ये ख्याल रखिए
Shepard only sees what he wants.
His name on a win.
पर उसी हमारी चीज़ें के लोटी फाड़ गंदी
What do you say?
अच्छी विषय
It's what I don't see that worries me.
If he's alive,
अगर जिंदे बीबी
let us know. Where and when? That's the
ये
question.
ना दम बेरो
We owe a debt of gratitude to
James
our
Shepard
task force
Shepard
and to the ULF for our success against Vladimir Makarov and his private army.
Much has been said about the ULF. Are Farah Kareem and her soldiers a terror organization?
No, Farah Kareem is and always has been an ally to the United States and our Western partners in the region.
How did Commander Kareem obtain American armament?
For nearly a decade, I sent weapons to Commander Kareem to support her missions against Al-Qatala and Russian incursions into Urzikstan.
Were those shipments legal?
No. In order to save lives, I commissioned illegal shipments with funds I approved myself.
Quiet, quiet, please. General Shepard, in October of 2022, did you authorize Shadow Company to fire on a task force under your command in Las Almas, Mexico?
No, I did not.
Mr. Graves, were you given orders to use lethal force against TF-141?
Yes, I was.
Quiet,
I
quiet in this
just किसी
chamber.
जनरल तो दस्तूर देते
Who
हैं
gave
कि
you those orders?
आतिमा हम अलेक्जेंडर
General
ने
Herschel Shepard.
Did you act on those orders, Mr. Graves?
No, absolutely not, sir.
अच्छा
Quiet! Quiet!
أول شيء بيري جوز كتو دستور ذاته بشهادة كمبانية كي چی بکنه آتیمه الکساندروشان عمله بکنه گوشی نه ولی آئی چی جوز که شهادة کمپانیه گوشتی ها خیر
That's the difference between us and them.
We're gonna let this stand, boss. The best way to end the war is to win it.
No prisoners.
Good hunting, Commander.
You too, Captain.
Nick, take fire back, will you?
Straight away, Captain.
Right, let's prep for exfil. We're going home.
Watcher to Bravo.
Send traffic, watcher.
خب اشی عامل تمام کنیم پارت ها حالا پارت بعدم پارت آخر این که کمپینی و دیگه رای آنلاین دوکا و دیگه گیم آن فعلا
What are they doing in London, Laswell?
Signals intelligence shows Coney's meeting with a known black